Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll see a review of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. This is a very interesting and affordable phone because even though it uses One UI core version, but it already supports various good lock modules. For those of you who don't know what is good lock is an additional application for Samsung phones that can be used to customize looks and add some new features on Samsung phones. So you can change the color and the appearance of notification panel, task changer, and the display of pop-up folders on the home screen, and also the clock display on the lock screen. And there are also many other things that you can change with this good lock module. It becomes quite interesting in this series because previously the good lock feature is not available on Samsung phones at price below $200 with One UI core. And the Samsung Galaxy A03s is the first phone that supports good lock at a fairly affordable price, only around $150. And the cool thing is that all the good lock features that we tried can also run smoothly on this phone. In the previous series, even on $300 or $400 smartphones such as M51 series, unfortunately so far it doesn't support good lock, but hopefully later this good lock feature can support other series that currently don't support good lock on the next software update. Hopefully this is a positive signal that can give hope to other series which so far have not been supported with the good lock features, especially for M series at $300 or $400 price range, such as M51 series. So hopefully in the future this feature can run in various series with One UI core as well. Then besides it already support good lock feature, the Samsung Galaxy A03s also carries a design that is quite similar to the previous A02s series. Samsung Galaxy A03s design looks attractive for $150 smartphone. It comes with a curved design on the back, and the size is also not too big and not too compact either. It's about 164.2 by 75.9mm. The dimensions are almost the same as S21 Plus series that I usually use as a daily drivers. The base case material is made of polycarbonate plastic material with slick texture that makes it not slippery and doesn't leave fingerprint mark. Then for the screen, even though the screen specification doesn't come with anything special, but in our opinion the display is enough for the price offered. At a price around $150, we already get a wide screen with a notch style front camera design and a screen to body ratio 81.8%. Then the position of the speaker on Samsung A03s is at the bottom with USB Type-C and 3.5mm audio jack. Then at the top there is only a microphone hole, and on the left there are 2 nano SIM card slots and 1 micro SD slot. The volume button is on the right side next to the power button, which is integrated directly with the fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor on our phone had some issues at first, but then after getting the software update it becomes usable and responsive as usual. For the speed of the fingerprint sensor in the smartphone is already fast and accurate for $150 phone. For performance, this $150 phone is pretty standard with 12nm MediaTek Helio P35 processor. For sensors available, considering this is a $150 phone, so of course there are many sensors that are not available on A03s series. In addition to the temperature and pressure sensors which are not available, the magnetic gyroscope and orientation sensors are also not available in this series. But uniquely, the light sensor is already available right here. The Antutu score on this device is only around 102,687, but for standard use it is already good enough for everyday usage. However, for playing heavy games we cannot expect much from these $150 phones like this. When we try playing PUBG games on this phone, the graphics settings can only be set at smooth medium or maximum only at balanced medium. The gameplay is not smooth and too much frame drop. It is very difficult to play fast and competitive on this phone. However, maybe for some people it is already good enough to just play games for fun and not too competitive with friends. Or maybe you can also play other games that are not too heavy. Because of course you can't get and expect too much on these $150 phones like this. In the box when purchasing we get a SIM card ejector, manual book, Type A to Type C cable, and the charger adapter which is still 7.5 watts only. For charging the Samsung A03s phone, it actually supports a maximum of 15 watts fast charging, even though in the box we only get a 7.5 watt charger only. For the connectivity, this phone comes with Bluetooth 5.0 version and 4G connection. For the UI or software on this phone, it uses One UI Core 3.1 version with Android 11. There are many features that are already available on this phone, like there is Dolby Atmos feature, there is also a Google Discover feature on the home screen, then it also comes with Edge panel and Edge lighting features. And it also supports full screen gesture and one hand operation plus. So you can already use full screen gesture and swipe from the edge of the screen on this smartphone. You can also use the fingerprint sensor to open the notification panel from the power button. For the rear camera, it uses a camera with a resolution of 13 megapixels with f2.2. Then there's also a macro and depth sensor lens, each with resolution of 2 megapixels with f2.4. For video recording on this rear camera, you can record with maximum resolution 1080p 30 frames per second. The front camera comes with 5 megapixel resolution camera with f2.2. And video recording on the front camera can also be maximum at 1080p 30 frames per second resolution. For camera features, other than photo and video modes, there are also portrait mode, Deco Peak, then there are also Pro, Panorama, Food, Macro, and Hyperlapse. Here are some sample photos of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. So to conclude, the advantage of this phone are the price, which is very affordable. Then the back design also looks attractive and doesn't really look like $150 smartphone. Then this phone also already use USB Type-C, and the SIM card tray also support dual nano SIM and micro SD card dedicated. Then the battery is also large. For $150 phone, it comes with 5000 mAh battery capacity. And also the coolest feature is that it already supports Good Lock, even though this phone comes at $150 only and still use One UI core version. This is a cool and quite rare thing that we find in the Samsung Galaxy A03s series. And the drawback in the Samsung Galaxy A03s series is that the screen resolution is not yet Full HD and not AMOLED and still using One UI core version. However, even though it uses One UI core, this phone already supports Good Lock, so maybe this is not become a drawback anymore. And from all the features, the advantages and the disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy A03s, is still phone still recommended for you to have? The answer is yes, because this phone is very easy to recommend at $150 price range. Moreover, this phone also comes with features that were previously available in A02s series. And in this series, it also comes with an additional feature that is quite important, which is the fingerprint sensor feature. Besides, this phone also supports Good Lock, which is a pretty cool feature at a fairly affordable price, only $150. This is a very cool and special thing on this phone, and we have never found it in other series with One UI core at $150 before. For those of you who are interested in the Samsung Galaxy A03s, there are several color choices that you can choose. There are blue, black, and white color options. For the available variant, there is only 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal memory variant. And the price is around $150 only. And maybe you can also get it even cheaper on your favorite e-commerce. Even though when we check, the difference is also quite thin with the official price in this series. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and also subscribe so you'll be notified when there is a new video from this channel. If you have any question or comment, you can also just type it in the comment section down below, or you can also ask in our Telegram group, or you can directly DM us on our Instagram account @Santertainment. See you in the next video.